I'm Emma and welcome to Emma Money Drawing. I'm going to show you different ways to draw people. I will be focusing on shading, eyes, lips, body, final touches, and talking about it. Today I will show you how to draw, so we will start with the head. I'm going to show you how to do the head. I'm going to show you how to do everything. Also, for shading, you can just use a Q-tip. Shading is really important for the lip. Final touches are important, so it looks really good and pretty. Really real. And to also make sure that the hair is either behind the back or on the shoulders or up. I'm going to be doing the hair down on her shoulders. We have to give her some bangs. You're just going to want to leave a little slot right at the bottom so it's white, and you're gonna want to shade that too. Whenever you make the ears, I do the ears not really last, but after like the eyes or something. I'm gonna give her some nice earrings, and I am going to make those eyebrows look really good. So now I'm going to be talking about the nose. I gave her a nose piercing and a band-aid because it just looks really good, and the lips are shaded, so it's not like the curved ones in other videos. It's just a little scribble, and then you shade it with the Q-tip. I gave her a little scratch on her cheek because it looks really good, and I gave her a necklace. One of the last things that I did is I made her a shirt, and it says chill on it, and it looks super slay. An interesting fact about this is I started drawing when I was 4 years old. Today, you just learned how to shade, draw eyes, bodies, lips, final touches, and talk about it. And remember, you can watch it twice. Now, if you want more videos like this, come follow me and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for listening to Fireside Casts, a podcast created and hosted by the student of Connet Lake Elementary School. Today's episode, Emma Money Drawing, was researched and written and edited by me. The sound engineer was me, and our technical advisor, Miss Ellis. To listen to more of our podcasts, you can find us online at www.tinyurl.com/camspodcast. CLAS streaming on YouTube. And remember, keep on learning. Thanks, guys. Bye.